Hey there! Are you feeling a little overwhelmed or stuck in a negative mindset? Well, you're not alone. But don't worry, I've got some easy tips and tricks to help you boost your mindset with ChatGPT. One of the best ways to improve your mindset is to talk it out with ChatGPT. This AI chatbot is always available to lend an ear and provide helpful advice. Whether you need a pep talk, a listening ear, or just some positive affirmations, ChatGPT is here to help. Another great way to boost your mindset is to practice gratitude. Take a few minutes each day to write down things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a sunny day or a good cup of coffee. Focusing on the positive. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 key tips for virtual reality success that will help you make the most out of your VR experience. First tip, make sure you have the right equipment. Whether you're using a standalone headset or a PC-powered one, having the right hardware is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable experience. Second tip, familiarize yourself with the controls. Each VR game or experience may have different controls, so take some time to practice and get comfortable with them before diving in. Lastly, remember to take breaks. VR can be immersive and intense, so don't forget to give yourself a breather to prevent eye strain and fatigue. In conclusion, by following these tips, you can ensure a successful and enjoyable virtual reality experience. Thanks for watching and happy VR gaming. Uplifting ending sentence, get ready to step into a whole new world of possibilities with virtual reality. Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to talk about boosting your self-esteem with the help of machine learning. Yes, you heard that right. Technology can actually help us feel more confident and empowered. One way machine learning can boost your self-esteem is by recommending positive affirmations based on your personal interests and goals. These affirmations can help rewire your brain to think more positively about yourself and your abilities. Another way is by analyzing your social media habits and suggesting ways to limit negative self-comparisons and toxic interactions. Remember, self-esteem is all about loving and accepting yourself just as you are. Machine learning can be a tool to support you on this journey, but ultimately, it's up to you to cultivate a positive self-image. You are worthy, you are enough, and you are loved. Embrace the power within you and let your light shine bright. Uplifting ending sentence, believe in yourself and watch the magic happen. You've got this.
Hey there, welcome to today's video where I'll be sharing with you 5 secrets to quickly strengthen your mindset for machine learning. The first secret is to embrace failure. Machine learning is all about trial and error, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learn from them and use them to improve your skills. Moving on to the second secret, which is to stay curious. Keep asking questions and seeking out new information. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to tackle complex machine learning problems. In conclusion, by embracing failure and staying curious, you'll be well on your way to strengthening your mindset for machine learning. Remember to stay patient and persistent, and you'll see progress in no time. Uplifting ending sentence. So go out there and conquer the world of machine learning with confidence and determination.